Now, let us see some examples of the tools which I have taught you all till now. Okay. So, this is the example which I am going to draw in AutoCAD. So, we can do one thing. Select this one, copy this, go to AutoCAD, and you can paste here. Control V. Once you do paste, you will see this. Okay. Just directly click OK. Now you have to do some resizing. So select that object and you can do resizing from here. Left click here and resize it. Press move command. Already the object is selected. So M enter. Directly it will ask base point. So this is how we will be using. See, I want to draw this. So start with these two circles. Okay. Start with these two circles of dia 50 and 100. So go to circle command. Go to diameter. Diameter is 100. Okay. One more. This is the center. Yes. Go to diameter. Diameter is 50 now. Go to 50. Enter. So this is done. Okay. Now, can you see this rectangle? Yes. Zoom it. Can you see this rectangle? This rectangle is of, this is 96. 96 plus 10, 106. 106 plus 10, that is 116. So 116 cross 25 rectangle. Create a rectangle which is in the x-axis, it is 116 comma height is 25. Enter. Now this rectangle must be placed at some distance. Okay, at what distance it must be? So we can draw a line, draw a vertical line, press F8 so that ortho is on. Draw a vertical line of, see what is the vertical distance between this center of this circle and the extreme end point of this rectangle. It is 25 plus 120. How much it is? 25 plus 120. How much it will be? 25 plus 120, that is 145. So 145. Enter. Okay. Now, but I don't know this one, where I should place in the horizontal direction from this center. So do one thing. We can do one thing. See here. If you observe this particular line, can you observe this particular center? This center line, if you project it till here, so it is around 10 centimeter distance. So draw a line of 10 centimeter or 10 mm. Draw a line of 10 mm in this direction. Yes, yes, exactly. Now go to move, select this object, enter. Now why I have created this line? So that I can pick it from here and I can place it here. But this is not the right position to place, because the distance between the center and this extreme end must be 145. Let us check. Go to DI. It is not 145. Rather, it is more than 145. So we have to move it again. Move this rectangle, enter. Yes. This is quite wrong. 1 second. Yes. Now this is perfect. Now you can delete this particular line. Delete this line. Okay. Now, after this is done, now we can do one thing, that create a one more line here, which is 10 mm to this side. So draw a line here of 10 mm length. Okay. And draw a vertical line from here at any random of any random length. Now go to fillet, F enter. What is the radius? Radius is 45. Go to radius 45, select this and this. I hope you got my point. Yes, you can trim this part. TR enter, select. See, TR double enter, trim this one. Now go to arc. Actually, we have to draw an arc here, which is tangent and tangent to this. Or you can do one more thing. Or we can do one more thing. Go to tangent, tangent, radius, circle. Go to tangent, tangent, radius, circle. Tangent to this, tangent to this. Radius is, the radius of this circle will be 150. So type 150, enter. Now trim it. TR, enter, again enter. So delete this one, and trim this one, and delete this one. So this is what we wanted. I hope you are getting my point. Now we have to make two center lines. So this is again very simple. We can draw it. See, this is how I am snapping. This is tracking. How this can be switch on and switch off? By F11. F11 must be on so that we can object snap tracking on. Okay. See, from here to here, I want to draw a vertical line. So vertical line, press F8 so that vertical line can be drawn. See, up to here I will draw it. Okay, yes. Again, from here to here. Yes. Now change the properties of these two lines. Go to properties, PR enter. This line and this line. Change the properties. Go to line type. See, the line type, only 3 type of line type is present. So go to LT, enter. Okay. Go to load. Suppose I want this line. Center line. Yes, this one. Okay. Select this. Okay. Right. Now select this line and this line because I want to change its property. Go to line type and select center. So this is how we can draw. Yes, we can also dimension it. So for the dimension purpose, that I will explain in the further videos how to dimension this particular things. Okay. So this was very simple. In this, I used circle command, rectangle command, circle with TTR, that is tangent, tangent, radius, and also trim command I used. Yes. So this is it. Now